In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Microsoft To Do to Notion using Zapier. This lets you automatically sync tasks between the two apps without any coding. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to Zapier, then sign in to your account. Click Create and select Zap to start a new automation. Choose Microsoft To Do as the trigger app and select the event you want, such as new task or completed task. Sign in to your Microsoft account and authorize Zapier. Next, choose Notion as the action app. Sign in to your Notion account, select the workspace and choose the database where you want your tasks to be added or updated. Map the task details such as the title, due date and notes to the matching properties in your Notion database. Test the automation to make sure everything works correctly. When you're satisfied with the results, publish the Zap. Your Microsoft To Do tasks will now sync automatically with your selected Notion database. That's how to connect Microsoft To Do to Notion. Thanks for watching.